So we just got a core vehicle in that we're going to offer for sale for restoration, and it's this 1970 Series 2A. And there were a few things that I liked about this vehicle when I purchased it. First of all, it's a late Series 2A. Those are always in demand. And the great thing about these is that they have the all-metal dash. So they have the headlights in the fenders, which some people like over the headlights in the grille, but they still have the all-metal dash. So for a lot of people, this is really the best of both worlds because it has some of the more modern amenities that the Series 3 had, like 2-speed wipers and stuff like that, and a little bit better heater and defroster setup. And yet it has the all-metal dash, and that's really what people like about these Land Rovers is the all-metal dash. The other nice thing about this truck is that it's factory marine blue, which is by far the most in-demand color. And a lot of customers like to have their vehicle painted its original color. So it's nice to have, if the vehicle was an original marine blue truck, it's nice to keep it marine blue. The other good thing is that this vehicle has an excellent body. So the fenders are in really good shape. They're really straight. The quarter panels are really straight, and the bulkhead isn't actually in really good shape. It did have some prior rust repair on the footwells, but the important part of the bulkhead, the top of it, is in really nice shape without any pitting or heavy rust, which we do find quite often on these bulkheads. So the important components are there. It has all of its original dash components, so all the hard to find pieces for the late 2A are present, although they're not currently installed on this dash, but they did come with the vehicle. It has all of its body panels that are really important, in good shape, and it's an original marine blue truck, and it's a late Series 2A, which a lot of people like. So this is currently a hardtop, but there's no reason why we can't convert it to a soft top. And I'll put in at the end of the video some clips of a similar vehicle that we restored a couple years ago that was originally a hardtop, late Series 2A, and we converted it to a soft top. And I think that vehicle came out really, really nice. So I'd like to show what this vehicle could potentially be after it's restored. So if you're interested in doing a restoration on a late Series 2A, this is currently the nicest late Series 2A that we have in inventory. So this would be a good one to choose for a full restoration, especially if you're interested in doing a marine blue truck. So you can send us an email and just reference this vehicle or give us a call, and we can start a conversation and we'll get the ball rolling.